In today's video, let's take a look at NVDA, and we're going to start with the daily chart. And what that tells us as far as the moving averages is you are below the 200, you're below the 50, those simple moving averages, and the 5-13 EMA combo is in a bearish mode with the 5 below the 13. Okay. Also, the more recent pattern is a bearish pattern of lower lows and lower highs. So it's not a very bullish chart. Earlier this week, I did have some timing to anticipate a possible bounce as we tested just a single 618 retracement, which officially is not a setup because a single level for me is just not a setup. You have to have either symmetry by itself or a price cluster with the other Fibonacci price relationships to really have a solid setup there. But you may ask, how will I know when it's good to look at the buy side again of NVDA? And one of the things that can help you with that is the 30-minute chart. Okay, because what I'm doing here is monitoring the symmetry of these prior rally swings. So for example, with this last swing down, I take all of these prior rally swings, project them from the new low, and that's going to give us the possible resistance until we can clear that, because notice we did not clear that recently. Okay, you weren't able to get above this 157.39 area. So until you get above that, you have to still consider that this is a bearish trend. Now, if we end up making a new high from this low and getting through this resistance, that will be the first indication that we might have a more important low in place. But we're not there yet. So one of the things you can do is you can wait until we shift patterns on the 30-minute chart, and then we can set up the next pullback after that occurs. But for now, it's not looking so hot.